Well, you can create an amazing product marketing material like this, or perhaps like this, or maybe like this one using Gemini AI. And basically, it only takes about 1 minute, and you only need to provide the picture of the product and the prompt that I'm about to show you in this video. And essentially, this is known as a floating splash product photography. I actually don't know the real name, but it is very popular and it makes your product looks more interesting. So let me show you how you can create one with Gemini AI. First, let's navigate to gemini.google.com, or you can also use the mobile app version on your phone. Now here, I'm going to click this plus button, click upload files, and select the product photo that you want to turn into that marketing material. In this case, I will try to use this KFC chicken drumstick, and then click open. And this is the prompt that you can use. And don't worry, I'm going to put the prompt in the description and I'll show you how you can use it. Now, let me just paste that. Here, there are a few things that you need to customize. You have two options. You can make the product to be being held by a hand rising from the liquid, or it is just levitating above the surface of the liquid. Let me just give you some examples. This is the first option where there is a hand rising from the water. And there's also this option where the products kind of drop into the liquid. It's up to you. I think they are equally good. So let me just select the first option. Actually, the second option, because I just don't think that makes sense. And secondly, you have to select the liquid. Now, it is also very important. You don't want to select the liquid that doesn't make any sense with the product. Like if I'm using this chicken drumstick from KFC, I don't think it is logical for me to use, let's say, motorcycle oil or maybe water. It just doesn't make any sense. So instead, I'm going to be using something like a ketchup or mayonnaise because it is something that could be associated with the product. So let me select ketchup. And then I'm going to select the background color to be black, and click tools, click create images, and just send the message. So in total, there are only 3 parameters that you need to customize in the prompt, and that's about it. And you can send a message and just wait for AI to create the picture based on your instruction and also based on the product photo that you just provided. Now it will create a picture in just several seconds now. And there you go. So we got this result. And if you're not quite happy, you can click this redo button. But let's say I'm quite happy with this. You can do some iterative work. Like for example, I'm going to tell AI to please add some parsley into the picture. Hit enter. And it's basically going to make the product more attractive because usually you want to add some tiny elements like leaves or some items that could be associated with the product. Now just wait, and there you go. So we got this amazing looking picture of a KFC chicken drumstick, and I think it's something that could cost thousands of dollars if you're hiring a professional photographer, but now you can do it for free in just a few seconds with Gemini. Now let me do one more demonstration. First, let's go to Gemini again, and I'm going to upload a picture of a Pocari Sweat product. So let me just click this button, Pocari Sweat, click open, and I'm going to just copy and paste the prompt again. Now in this case, let me select the first option. So there's going to be a hand rising from rising from the bottom into the top, and the liquid name is going to be just water. The background color is going to be, let's say it is blue. Click tools, create images, and send a message. Again, there are only 3 parameters that you need to customize in the prompt. So it's very simple, and I think this could be applied to all sort of products, and the results going to be quite interesting because Gemini new AI is just very good at creating a picture. And there you go. So we got this picture of a hand rising from the water and holding the product. So that's how you can create this style of floating photography, product photography using Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.